In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up cleaning fee for your Airbnb listing. Please note, when you're creating an Airbnb listing for the first time, until it is published once, you will not see the option to set up cleaning fee. And that is not just one option. There are lots of other options which you do not see until a listing is published. So if you're creating a listing for the first time, and if you have not seen an option to set up cleaning fee or damage deposit or some other things which you have been reading over the internet, I would recommend publish your listing with bare minimum details once. And once it is published, you can snooze or unlist your property straight after that and then work on your listing. At that stage, Airbnb will show you a lot more options to choose from. You can fine tune different settings. You can set the prices on your calendar. You can have a cleaning fee. You can set up the damage deposit. A lot more options for you to work on. So for this video, I will just stick to how to update the cleaning fee. If you are lost, if you do not know where to navigate to, just type on your computer airbnb.com into the browser. Once you are on the Airbnb screen, it should look like this. Click on the switch to hosting. When you click on switch to hosting, that takes into hosting screen, and that is where you will see the listings option on the top left corner, which is the fifth option. Click on listings, and that will lead you to the listings page where you have all your listings. Click on the listing of your choice, which you want to work on. And let me show you, before I go into cleaning fee, let me show you where you can list and unlist your property from. So once you are on your listings tab, scroll down, and then listing status is what you will see here. Click on edit in front, and there you go. You will see multiple options here. Listed is listed, snoozed is it will let you choose start date and end date, and unlisted is you can unlist it and bring it back again. Please do not choose deactivate, because deactivation on Airbnb means deletion. Your Airbnb listing will be deleted forever. Do not choose this unless you really want to delete your listing. I would say first time when you're creating it, just come in and snooze it for 5 or 10 days while you're working on your listing. Anyway, let's go back to how to set up the cleaning fee. Once you are on this page, click on pricing and availability, and scroll down. This third section on this, you will see fees, and the first option is a cleaning fee. Click on the edit option in the front towards the right, and there you go. It will let you set up a cleaning fee of your choice. And once you have entered the cleaning fee, click on save, and that will update the cleaning fee. Please note, Airbnb keeps changing the layout of this screen. It is possible you may see a different screen, but more or less the options always remain the same. Just look for a tab called pricing. Availability used to be different, but look for pricing, and under pricing tab you will find the cleaning fee. It is also the place where you will find other options where you can set discounts, nightly price, and everything else, but that's another video I will shoot in next day or so. I hope you enjoy my videos. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. That will encourage me to make more such videos. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.